They do from partner, patient, customer journey mapping to management. This is the tagline of a product which I just found online, and I cannot remember where I actually saw this first time. And I'm always on the lookout for new products, especially when it comes to product management, strategy planning, or customer research, things around that. So, in this video, what I'm going to do is go through their website, figure out what they are doing, and do an onboarding today and see what's the bare minimum we can achieve by simply starting out with them. Now, as I come to this website, there are some things that immediately catch your attention, and I like their headline for now, which is from partner, which keeps changing patient, customer, user. So, I think what they're saying is whoever your stakeholder is as a customer facing, we typically call customers or user, from X journey mapping to management. And customer experience and design teams map customer journeys to bring insights and data together. They do then enables your business to align strategy, planning, and delivery with the journeys. Can we talk about the name for a second? I do not know the reasoning behind this brand name, but it sounds, if you look at it as one word, it could sound like TheyDo, they do, TheyDo, TheyDo. It could go in multiple pronunciations. Now, I'm not the one typically looking at how the brand name is, but one of the things that I've noticed is that brand name has to be memorable. So this could be memorable. As I go through this, what I'm able to get from just the title and the subtitle here is that it seems to be solving one part of the problem when it comes to product management, business alignment, stakeholder alignment, and stuff like that. Typically, a customer's journey is an interaction of your customer with your product. And so, in this case, what I'm seeing here is that customer journeys are something that customer experience team, user research team, product teams work together and they draw it out somewhere. Now, if you worked in an environment like that, you will know that most of these Miro boards are full of customer journeys. And so it gets lost sometimes. It's not always the living document. Now, what I like here is that it enables your business to align strategy, planning, delivery, and with the journeys. It's a big promise, by the way. So, if you have worked in any of these domains, it doesn't matter whether you're a product manager or a developer or anyone. If you're working in a technology company or a company that delivers software solutions, you will notice that you are one of the stakeholders in any of these teams. And half the time, you'll be wondering, what is our strategy? What are we doing? And I'm assuming this product is trying to solve that problem. Now, as I scroll down, I can see a visual. This is very good for a SaaS business. You show your product as much as you can instead of describing your product through text. And so, if you can show a video, a visual, something that people can remember and easily connect with. So here I can see customer journey. I can see there are phases. I made my choice, provide data, and each step of the way there is like emotion of the customer. I'm worried about my giving my data. So what it's telling me is there is a way for organizing every step of the journey. So that's what I can see here so far. Leading brands are using map, structure, and manage. Okay, so map journeys super fast. With Journey AI, you can turn research into high quality journeys, structure all journeys in single framework, okay, and uncover top opportunities across journeys. Interesting. Now, this is a point where I typically go and check if there is an option for me to test it out. On this page, I'm super interested right now. Also, let's talk about their design language. It is beautifully designed. There is an emphasis on what they want customers to understand, and there's an emphasis on what they can offer. And so I love this page. I like the design. It's clean, it's neat, and yet it also communicates everything that you want regarding your pain point. So I think this is really well done. At this point, the next thing I would typically do is go check their pricing page. This is just to understand if they have free plan or not. If they do not have free plan, I may not check it. Now, good thing that they have done here is through their buttons, they have already highlighted that start for free. So I don't have to think about it. I like this pricing plan, which they say, well, from zero, free forever till 20 journeys. The free plan seems to be focused on 20 journeys, and then I can see I can have one board, but I see the usage of this product when it is organization wide. The interesting bit here is the pricing, which is 2,762 per month, And when my first thought looking at the screen is, okay, if I look at something which is that expensive, there are two ways it can go. One is it's either coming through a salesperson, so I may not even look at this. But if I'm just looking at it first time, the first thought comes to my mind is, oh, that's expensive, until I start seeing the value it can bring. So I don't know if they do could price it in a different manner. It's the same communication, but in different manner. Not sure if they have they probably have done a lot of research for this one, but the first impressions are always going to be, this is expensive. And I'm trying to see who it is addressing. Is it addressing the head of product? Is it addressing your CEO? Who is it addressing really at this point? And from my understanding, at the moment the product is open for all, because it's literally saying CX teams, design teams. There is also a possibility of product teams and business teams, so everyone seems to be involved as a target audience here. I'm going to click on this button, start for free. So I have to create an account.